Well, if you had any driving plans on this Monday evening anywhere in the Northern Valley, you may want to rethink that. This is Highway 2 westbound going toward Grand Forks from Crookston. It is already nasty out. This is video at 5:15 p.m. And the Weather Service says near blizzard conditions tonight. So keep that into mind. Probably a good night to stay home. Then on Tuesday afternoon, take a look at their graphic here. 1 to 5 inches of more snow, with the highest along and south of the Highway 200 corridor. And then Wednesday through Thursday, heavy accumulating snow, 6 to 12 inches south of U.S. Highway 1094 corridor, Wednesday through Thursday. 6 to 12 inches south of 94. Blizzard conditions possible along and south of U.S. Highway 200 Wednesday into Thursday. So we've got a nasty night and a nasty week ahead. Again, in the Northern Valley, road conditions have already gone south. If you're considering travel, you might want to rethink that and wait a while till tomorrow. We should have a break before more snow hits through the rest of the week. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.